Hey everyone, George here. Hope you're doing well. So, I'm on holiday right now in beautiful Antalya in southern Turkey, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do some maths and record a maths video. So, what I want to talk about in this video is doing quick, rapid currency conversions without a calculator or phone. Now, it's very common for us to download currency conversion apps or use a calculator on our phones when we're out and about and we need to check how much something is worth in the home currency that we're familiar with. The problem, though, is that it might be impractical for you to do so. It might be a bit difficult, and it would be much easier if you could just do a quick conversion in your head. The problem is that involves mental maths. You might not be that comfortable with it. Maybe the conversion is difficult. So I want to give an example of here in Turkey how you can do it pretty easily, especially if you're referencing pound sterling as your home currency. So as of the time of recording this video, £1 sterling is about 60 Turkish lira. So if we want to convert from Turkish lira to pound sterling, what we have to do is divide by 60, which is the same as dividing by 2, dividing by 3, and dividing by 10 in any order. And those are all very manageable numbers. So to give an example, I was at the Land of Legends theme park. That's a major theme park here in Turkey. And I saw you could get an on-ride recording of yourself on Hypercoaster, one of their major coasters there. And this cost, it was about 1,500 lira. So if we divide by 3, that's 500. If we divide by 2, that's 250. If we then divide by 10, that's 25. So 1,500 lira is about £25 sterling. And I put the actual cost of it on the screen, so it's a pretty good estimate. Another example might be a taxi. Let's say you pay 500 lira for that, or that's the amount required. So if you divide 500 by 2, you get 250. If you then divide 250 by 3, we get about 83-ish. And then if you divide by 10, then we get 8.3. So therefore 500 lira is about £8.33-ish, roughly. And I put the actual cost on the screen, and it's also a pretty good estimate as well. So I thought that'd be a useful tool if you're visiting Turkey, just do a quick, conversion between those two currencies. So with that in mind, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did like this content. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. The support of my channel is very much appreciated. So stay tuned. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my holiday, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So take care of yourself, and all the best.